Good day, gentlemen of the press. My name is ACP Olumiyowa Adejobi, the Force Public Relations Officer of the Nigeria Police Force. Today, we still want to talk about our efforts in combating cyber crimes and other related offenses as the Nigeria Police National Cyber Crime Center shut down criminal cyber crime training and operational center and arrest 6 threat actors. In a significant stride against cyber crime and cyber related offenses, the Nigeria Police Force National Cyber Crime Center has successfully uncovered and dismantled a sophisticated cyber crime syndicate operating in a cyber crime recruitment and mentoring hub in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory. The investigation and operation was initiated in response to a series of intelligence reports that indicated a deep involvement of the syndicate in various cyber crimes, including business email compromise, romance scams, and high-yield investment program fraud. Upon receiving the intelligence, a team of cybercrime forensic experts and investigators were detailed on the case. Painstaking efforts expended in clinically investigating the case, which led to the arrest of 6 suspects at their hideouts in the Dantata Estate area of the Federal Capital Territory, and the recovery of several digital gadgets and effects used in perpetrating their criminal enterprise on the 13th of September 2023. The suspects, namely Bernard Joseph, age 27, Emmanuel Joseph, age 22, Obasi Ikechukwu, age 19, and Nijiofo Tobechukwu, age 26, Andrew Moses, age 19, and Israel Ezekiel, age 19. Some really confessed to their various degrees of involvement in cybercrime, including identity theft, hacking and trading of hacked Facebook accounts, romance scam, computer-related forgery, and other computer-related fraud punishable under the Cybercrime Prohibition and Prevention Act 2015. It is pertinent to state that the investigation is still ongoing and efforts to apprehend the fleeing members of this criminal network are underway. Meanwhile, the arrested suspects will be charged to court upon the conclusion of the investigation. The Inspector General of Police, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Acting IGP Olukayode Adeolu Egbetokun, MPM, PhD MPM, while reiterating the commitment of the force to combating crime at all fronts, irrespective of its dynamics, has directed the Director of Nigerian Police National Cyber Crime Center, CP Uche Ifeanyi Henry, to take no break in ensuring the safety of individuals and enterprises online. He also urges parents, wards, thought leaders, and social to religious institutions to actually condemn this menace and partner with the police in ensuring a safer digital space for all. In addition, Nigeria Police Force wishes to urge landlords and landladies, facility owners, to expose any such cybercrime recruitment center and mentoring hubs noticed in their areas or houses. We need to break the conspiracy of silence and expose the evildoers in our society. We want to reassure the public that we will continually work with partners, stakeholders, and other relevant security agencies to decimate activities of cyber criminals and other criminals across the country. The Nigerian Police Force therefore counts on your support and unwavering commitment to tackling crimes and criminality in our dear country, Nigeria. Finally, members of the public are urged to remain vigilant and report any suspicious online activities through our dedicated e-reporting portal of the National Cybercrime Center via our email at policecyber.mpl.cybersecurity.gov.ng. And I'm sure these platforms will be scrolled on television stations. I want to urge other members of the public to please follow all our handles so that you can keep us informed of any noticed cyber criminal engagement. We want to reiterate our commitment again. That's our collective effort and of course the commitment of the Nigerian Police Force under the amiable leadership of the Inspector General of Police, Acting IGP Kayode Adeolu Egbetukun, PhD MPM, to make sure our cyberspace is adequately protected and safe for all our engagements, business activities and endeavors henceforth. We want to urge members of the public, particularly business partners, stakeholders in all spheres, to support the police, cooperate with the police, share information with us to make sure so that we can collectively have a safer cyberspace in this country. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Saying, don't worry, you don't have to go there, just record. Like I was saying, there is need for all of us to work together to make sure we stop mentoring of these young ones who are venturing into cyber crimes. I want to call on landlords and landladies to take note of the tenants in their facilities or houses. When you let out a room or an apartment to an individual, and at the end of the day you notice that the occupants are going to 8, 9, 10 or more. Young ones who are always busy on their computer systems because the owners of these mentoring hubs, they issue laptops to them and computers. They're always busy on computers 24 hours. It's an indication for you to know that these ones are into cyber criminal activity. We need to speak out. There's no need for us to keep quiet because you as the owner or your relations might be the next victim. We are still calling on neighboring states, the Nasarawa, Kaduna, Kogi State and others to please keep watch on some of these young ones. We know that this is a new trend in the Federal Capital Territory. We have information and intelligence gathering other hubs that are operational, functional, and we are going after them. We are closing in on some of these perpetrators, and we are optimistic that we will get them in no distant time. We want to appeal to operatives, individuals, stakeholders, and community leaders in our various communities in some of the neighboring states to please take note of this. We are not only parading these suspects for mere parading, but we want a message to go out to Nigerians, to go out to parents, guardians, and the young ones outside there, that to engage in this kind of a cyber crime fraud or activity is a criminal offense as punishable under the law as enshrined in the Nigeria Cybercrime Prohibition and Prevention Act of 2015. Is a criminal offense. No sentiment in law. Once you are caught, you are going to be caused to face the full wrath of the law. So the message is, please, let us keep watch. Let us be careful, mindful of things like this around us, in our houses, particularly landlords and landladies. Our agents that are in charge of our various facilities must monitor our facilities. It is not an excuse for a landlord to say, I let out my property, I don't know what happens in my property. We need to keep watch and we need to take note of our properties, because in most cases, if you fail to do the right thing, the long arm of the law will still catch up with you as the owner of that property. So the Nigerian Police Force is urging all of us to be on the same page, because cyber crimes are coming up on a regular basis, and it's a sort of a new trend in our society that all of us must cope so that we will not fall victims of this new trend. It's a message from the Nigerian Police Force. We want to appeal to all our stakeholders, including the media. Please evangelize this message. Let it go out there to all and sundry in Nigeria so that we can be on the same page and tackle this menace on time and adequately. Thank you.